Welcome to the DAKSH High Court Data Portal. You can find this portal on the main DAKSH website under the Database tab and the Data Portal link right here. This will take you to an autonomous website where we at DAKSH have been cleaning case data pulled from various high courts in India to kind of get a sense of the trends and different types of cases that are there and the kind of data that the e-court services system gathers and puts out for the public to kind of engage with. There are two main sections of this dashboard right now, of the data portal right now. One is our writ dashboard that engages with writ cases across the various high courts in India, and the second being our bail dashboard. So both of these follow a roughly similar structure. They have about 4 sections within it. The first, which takes a look at the data reported by various high courts to the Supreme Court about this particular type of case. So this is self-reported by the high courts, and it gives an idea of the actual scope of that case type within the high court's complete mandate and how many cases have kind of been filed and how they comprise the active workload of the high court. In addition, we at DAKSH have collected case level information kind of within both of these spheres, and so we provide a breakdown of kind of the year-on-year and the high court-wise distribution of these. We give a sense of what the various kinds of writs and bail cases are that we've engaged with, and what kinds of themes, subject matter, and legislation the cases we look at deal with. The next thing we do is we provide a bit of an overview for both pending and disposed cases when we have collected the data of how long they have been active or stayed in the system. We take a look at this not just from the point of view of an average or a median as a measure of central tendency, but also from the point of view of the distribution of these times, as well as how that is disaggregated by high court and by type of writ or bail case. Finally, what we do is we take a look at the different natures of outcomes of cases. And so we take a look at how e-courts puts out data or collects data about how the cases were concluded, whether that meant that they were disposed or dismissed on merits, without merits, things like number of cases that were withdrawn, infructuous, converted, rejected, things like that. And then that broken down by the states as well. Along with this, what we do is we also have provided a PDF data guide or code book that will give you an idea of the raw data fields that we were able to extract, as well as how we've gone about cleaning them and what we have retained for the purposes of this dashboard, as well as access to the CSVs of our cleaned and mapped data frames and tables. And so we would love for you to kind of engage with these CSVs, use the data that's put out, maybe do some analysis of your own, dig a little bit further. Please do share anything that you do with this data with us. We'd love to see it. And we hope you have as much fun engaging with this as we had making this. Thank you.